Release him of the jail. I will give you 100 million. Just, just release him out of the jail. Okay, okay. Ulol, kala mo tumuko, ulol, gago ka ba? Eh, sir, no, no, no. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? I will report you. What did I do? I have a body cam. I will report you, sir. I have a body cam. I will report you. I will report you, sir. No, I'm not driving you. Why you put that? Oh my god, the police are so dumb right now. Yeah, I'm insulting you, but I'm not bribing you, sir. I'm just funnying you. Oh my goodness. What did I do? What did I do? What? Show me your password if you see. Oh, I give it to you, okay? I give it to you. Okay? I have 3 violation for eating people. I'm eating a people. Hey. Why I receive a 1.10? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Why 1.10? 1.6 either. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I have body cam. I will report you. Oh my goodness. I will report you. I will report you. I have body cam, my friend. You are wrong. Hey, your boss, yours. Hey, can you make it louder, bro? I can hear you. Make it louder. I didn't bribing you, sir. I didn't bribing you. No, that's just a prank, sir. Just for a video, sir. Why did you put 1.10 at me? Why did you put 1.10 at me? Okay. I'm just gonna if you didn't post that at the Discord, okay? Post that at Discord, okay? Hey. Post that in my in Discord, okay?
Ayos English boy.
You gently without reason, motherfucker.